Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another video. I'm Lou and this is Nail Art with Lou. So today I want to show you a set of polishes. Now I've just watched a video yesterday. The lovely UK Linda, Nails by LJW, did a video on a set of polishes that she got from Amazon. And they were really cheap. And straight away I went straight onto Amazon and had a look, and they still had them on offer. And I thought, I've got to be getting some of them. That's just a bargain. But what did it for me, what nailed it for me, well, what you get in it, not only what you get in it, should I say, is this specific thing that you get in it. I better get stuck in it. So there is something that I really liked and I thought, that's just brilliant. So I had to be getting myself some. So I put the order in last night and it came today, came about an hour ago. And I thought, I'm not going to do swatching because I don't need to do. So I'm going to sit here and do this video for you. Only a quick one. But I just had to show you. Now I know that video's out there for Linda's. Please go take a look at Linda's channel. She does some fantastic sets and she's got some fantastic videos out there. Please go take a look. But I just thought I needed to show it. I needed to do this video and show it to people who maybe not seen Linda's video. So here I am. And I thought I'd do it a little bit different. So I couldn't resist getting it. And then when I got it, I thought, no way. Just like Linda did, she were gobsmacked. I thought, no way. Is it that big? So when I saw the delivery driver come, sat in here, and I saw him out window. And I thought, God, that's a big box. And he gave me it, and I thought, that's a heavy box. And then it was this box. So it's Jodsone's gel polishes. Massive set. And I opened it, and very much like Linda, I thought, oh my God. Because you get a swatch card in it, look. Let me take it out and show you a bit closer up. It's actually covered in a plastic sheeting as well to protect it. But there's 30 gel polish colours and there's 16.5mm. Honestly, 16.5mm. So you even get the little thing. You get that to screw in if you want to stand this up. You can screw it in and stand it up. I'm probably not going to stand it up. I might hang it up on my wall with the other ones. But those are all the colours that you get. So to show you them in the colour, I don't know how many coats this will have had. I know that in Linda's video, she painted one and she said it's just a one coat cover. So maybe these have all had one coat, but it shows you it in the gloss and in the matte, and obviously they provide matte as well. They've got everything in here basically. It's got all the colours you need. Look at it, absolutely. You even got your white and your black in there as well. But this was just over 15 quid, £15.34 or something. And I had Prime, and that's obviously why it got delivered so soon. But I didn't expect it with it being bank holiday weekend to come so soon. But yeah, I love that purple. Look at that purple one. That's gorgeous, isn't it? Gorgeous in matte as well. And the pinks, I really like these as well. I don't think I've got a colour like that. So yes, really impressed. So with that, I thought, you can't believe you get a colour card with it as well. That's just brilliant. So I really, really like that. So yeah, here's all the polishes, look. And there we are. How fabulous is that? So I'll show you the other bits that you get in it as well. So, what's it saying? Soak off UV. Yeah, I think it's a 60. Let me get my little, you get your little pamphlet with it as well, look. Let me see what it says. Now, I did have a look on Amazon at some of the reviews, and a lot of them said that it did peel. That's why it was so cheap. But, you know, I don't know how well the nails were prepped, you know, initially. I'm going to might have now and again use them on my nails. But they're predominantly going to be used for showing designs and stuff. So I'm not too bothered about that. If they end up doing that, I don't know. But let me see how long it is for cure. I don't know if it says on the bottles. I'll take this sponge bit off at top at bottles and have a look. If I can with my nails on. I love having my nails, but I'm just hopeless with them on. Ugh. Right, this might take a minute, so I'll come back to you, my lovelies. Right, my lovelies, I'm back. So I've had a little look through the booklet and it does say that it's 60-second cure for these, but it even gives you a guide on how to do it as well and how to use everything. So I think that's fabulous, to be fair. And they've got it in the different languages as well. So yeah, full instruction guide on there, which is brilliant. So inside this lovely box, you get your 30 colours. And like I said, there's a mixture of quite an array of different colours in there. You also get a top coat, a matte, a general glossy top coat, matte top coat. You get dehydrator and primer, and you get a base coat, and you also get a clear builder as well, plus your 30 polishes. It's marvellous, isn't it, that, don't you think? And I really like the bottles. I'm hoping that I have a little shelf. In fact, it's right at the side of me here. And I've just emptied it because it had some other things on it. And I thought, oh, that'll be an ideal. And I actually got this from the lovely Jo Imaginale. She says she doesn't use it. And I've had some other things on it that I'm going to swap it around and hopefully be able to fit all these on it, actually. Now, let me just take one out. I'll do it in order. I know they're not going to go on, you know, oh God, that way, because they're too wide. So they are going to have to go on in an angle. So I'm hoping, yeah, I better get quite a few on there, look. I'm sure I better get all these on there. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3. Let me get my nails out where, my hand out where. 1, 2, 3, and then 12. 3, 4, and I better tell her when I get them all on. Oh, I'll easily better do it, won't I? 6. So you get your black and your white. 7, 8. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 on there. 36. So I'll get them all on, won't I? Because obviously I'm not going to be putting my dehydrator and stuff like that on. So they're all going to go on there. How fabulous. Got them on there, Jo. Beautiful. Oops, sticking my hair with it. So yes, that's where I'm going to have them all. Don't have to do any swatching like I do on my little swatch palettes, you know, that I have them little love art ones. Because when I put them on there, I'll hopefully, and I would probably, I might be able to, I'll put some blue tack on it and I'll put this up on my wall, I think. Or I might just stand it up in front of it. I don't know. I haven't quite decided. But I am going to have a tinker, you know, with seeing how they cover and what have you, myself. But I don't need to do that. There's just no point doing the palette, is there? But they're gorgeous. So they're all numbered, B01 to B30. So yeah, I'm really, really, really pleased with those. I love that. I love the colour of that as well. It's like a pinky purple. And I love pinky purple. Fabulous. So thank you, Linda. Honestly, I do go on Amazon quite a lot, and I have got some Jodsones or Jodsone or Jodsons or whatever. I have got some polishes from on there, and I think I got a colour which were your standard colour set, so it were black, white, red, green, blue, yellow, and something else. A set, and I think they were only £5 or £6. They weren't expensive. They were this size bottle, I do believe. I've got them on there. No, I think they were this size bottle. But obviously, this wasn't on there at the time. And like you say, I think initially were it 30 odd quid that you said it was. And then they've reduced it and reduced it again. So yeah, limited offer they had on. So I don't know if they still have it. So I'm going to get this video out. Today's Sunday. I'm going to get this video out tomorrow. Just so that other people, just in case of, gets to see, do you know what I mean, that they do have this, because I think it's fabulous, to be fair. The more I get to see that this is, you know, this is something that you can buy on Amazon that's so cheap, then the better, isn't it, really? So yes, thank you, lovely Linda. Really appreciate it. I'm really pleased that I've got these. They're going to look lovely on my little stand. And yeah, thank you ever so much for watching, everybody. Please take care. And like I always say, if you can't be good, be careful. Bye.